Hi guys, welcome back to Shit I Made Without a Recipe. Today we're just going to make some easy sausages and onion gravy with some homemade fresh mash. First thing we're going to do is get our mash started. We've got the water boiling at the back and we're going to chop up a few potatoes here. I leave the skins on, it gives it more flavour, gives a little bit more texture in the mash, and the skins are healthy. They're good for you. It's where all the nutrients are. Sausages I'm using today are beef and cheese Kranskis from Coles. They're a bit denser of a sausage. It's not like your traditional, cheapo ones. These are quite nice. So we're going to pop those in the pan and get them cooking. And while we get those going, we'll start chopping up our onions so it's done. So when the sausages are about halfway through, even a bit more than halfway through, we can pop our onions straight in and not have to worry about chopping up then. Alright, so our onions are chopped, we've got the sausages almost ready. We'll pop our onions in. We'll put a little bit of water in to steam it. Crack open a fresh tin of gravy. And put some in. I don't know how much. So we got all that in, pop a lid on. And just wait for that to cook off. So we're going to make our mash now. We've drained the potatoes. I'm going to put a good stick of butter in. A good splash of milk. I like to use white pepper in here. And because I salted the potato, I don't like to add extra salt in. I leave that up to whoever's eating it to add their own salt and pepper. Now let's mash it. If it looks a bit too dry, add a bit more milk. Doesn't look creamy enough, add a bit more butter. You know how you mash. So mash is done, we'll pop it back on the stove. The burner's off, but it'll just keep it warm back there. Now whenever I make gravy, I like to put a bit of butter in there. And some Worcestershire sauce. Worcestershire sauce? I hate saying it. Brown sauce. Put some brown sauce in and check our sausages. I always chop one in half to check, make sure the middle's done. Because these are Kranskis, they're not going to look the same as a normal sausage when you've cut it in half, but that is a cooked sausage. Chop the rest of them in half, give that a good mix, and we are almost ready to plate up. Do the baby's plate first so it can start cooling down. And now we're going to do an adult. Nice little bit of mash, some half sausages, some of that delicious gravy on top, some veg. This is just some frozen veg that I popped in the microwave. And then that's it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy. Please like, comment, subscribe. See you next time.